Hello National 5 class. This is the solution to question 5, page 131 of the textbook for the topic arcs and sectors. So the question said, a cheese triangle is one of 8 in a circular pack of cheese. The label is an isosceles triangle of side 3 centimetres with an angle of 40 degrees, and the whole pack has a radius of 5 centimetres. So I've just drawn the diagram that's in the book. So the triangle has got side 3 there, and an angle of 40. And that's a sector of the circular packet of cheese, and it's got a radius of 5 centimetres. So part A just asks you to write down the size of angle QPR. So all you're doing there, angle QPR, is a fraction of the whole circle. Now it said there were 8 sectors or 8 pieces of cheese in the circle. So you take the 360 degrees, which is the whole circle, you divide by 8, because there's 8 triangles in the circle. Divide by 8. So the answer to that, 360 divided by 8 is 45 degrees. Okay, so this angle here is 45 degrees. Okay, part B says calculate the silver area in the diagram, and it kind of gives you a clue what you have to do. It indicates the difference between the area of the cheese and the triangular label. Okay, so the silver area in the diagram is this bit here. So if you find the area of the sector and then you take away the area of the triangle, that will give you the silver area in the diagram. Okay, so first of all, we'll calculate the area of the sector. That's the outside bit. Excuse me. Now, you can use the fraction of the whole circle to work out the area of the sector. So area of sector equals, so it's the fraction, which I'll call theta, or you could call x, out of 360 degrees altogether. So that's a fraction of the whole circle, and the area of the whole circle, area of a circle, is pi r squared. Okay, so the angle that we've got is 45 degrees out of 360 degrees. We multiply that by pi, or 3.14, and then we multiply that by the radius squared. So we multiply that by 5 squared. So if you're putting that into your calculator might do the fraction. If it doesn't do the fraction, you would do 45 divided by 360 times either the pi button, or I'll say 3.14 for this example, times 5 squared, which is just 5, times 5, or the 5 squared button on your calculator. Okay, so I'll just put that in, 45 divided by 360 times 3.14 times 5 times 5. So the answer to that is 9.8125. Now check if it says you've got to round it. And right at the beginning of the exercise it says give your answers to 3 significant figures where necessary. So rounding that to 3 significant figures would make it 9.8, and the 1 stays a 1 because the next digit's a 2. So it's 9.81. The radius was centimetres, so that's centimetres with a 2, square centimetres, and that's 3 significant figures. Okay, so that's the area of the outer part, the sector. Now we want to find the area of the wee triangle that's the label. So we would do the area of the triangle. Now, We didn't finish this part of the course, but you were meant to, on this group, continue and do the further trigonometry. And area of a triangle using further trig is a half AB sine C. Okay, so you're going to do a half times AB. Well, you've got two sides here that are both 3 centimetres. So A is 3, B is 3, and then you get sine of the angle, and the angle here is 40 degrees. Okay, so if you put that into your calculator, so a half times 3 times 3 times sine 40 equals 2.8925, and it goes on and on and on and on. So again, we'll round that to 3 significant figures. So it's 2.89 square centimetres to 3 sig figs. Okay, you're trying to find out the silver area, so you're trying to find out this area here. So you need to do the area of the whole sector, take away the area of the triangle. So the silver area equals the area of the sector, take away the area of the triangle. So that is 9.81, take away 2.89. 9.81 take away 2.89 is 6.92 square centimetres. Okay, so that's the answer to question 5. Thanks very much for listening.